For factory planners across all industries, layout planning is an essential activity to help companies find efficient decision-making processes, streamline internal and external communication, and make cost-saving investments. Instead of relying on schematic 2D layout plans, NavVis IVION Enterprise enables the visualization of your factory with all relevant details, such as workplace design, existing media outlets, and the tooling and equipment used. Besides being able to gather information on the as-is condition, NavVis IVION Enterprise offers layout planners powerful, easy-to-use tools to plan layout changes to their assembly lines. In this scenario, let's look at how you can optimize your current layout for lean process improvement. Here, a specific part of the plant has to be remodeled in order to optimize material flow and space utilization, which allows for an increase in the product output for a given time. In NavVis IVION Enterprise, these areas can be marked using a colorized overlay and then easily shared with colleagues. The panoramic images in NavVis IVION Enterprise enable factory planners to remotely inspect the current usage and workplace setup in the specified area. Inspecting machine connections to the air, gas, and water supply enables the planning of future machine requirements, especially when giving external contractors access to your virtual factory. Next, the production steps and workplaces are marked in NavVis IVION Enterprise as documentation of the current layout. Using folders, the marked areas can be grouped together for further clarity. Overlapping areas in the Layout New and the Layout Today indicate dependencies in dismantling and installation of workplaces and equipment. The new layout not only optimizes material flow, but also frees up a significant amount of space, marked here in green. This space could be used in the future to further increase production by installing an additional line. Also, by adding comments to the marked workplaces and equipment, the sequence of the relocation steps can be described, including detailed information such as the responsible stakeholders, potential risks, and more. When you're finished planning, all related information and markups can be shared with colleagues via a web link or exported into an auto-generated PDF that includes the links to each markup, description of the workflow step, and related space usage. With NavVis IVION Enterprise, factory planners finally have a collaborative and easy-to-use tool to ensure efficiency in their day-to-day work.